I know I don't have a real big following or subscribers, but uh, the ones that are my friends, I just wanted to update you on a life update. I don't know how to put this, but I just didn't want to leave you hanging and wondering where I was. I know that I have said before that I struggle with depression and things like that. But anyway, as you all know, that we are not set up financially or anything really well, and that was one of the reasons why I started my YouTube channel, was to try to take that off. But as of right now, my channel is bringing in maybe, it's very low, so it's bringing in maybe enough to maybe cover not even a light bill right now. But long story short, my husband has lost his job again, and we have no savings this time. So it's kind of hard to film cleaning channel when you may not even have a house to clean in. As of right now, I don't know what's going to happen. We don't own this mobile home. We rent it from our landlord, who has been very gracious and kind and not cashed our check this month. um, I don't know. I just didn't want to leave you guys hanging wondering where I was, so I thought it would be best to just do like a face-to-face with you, because I don't know what we're gonna do. We may end up moving into our old camper. It's a very old camper or something, or I might try to see if my sister all the way in Idaho, because we live in Texas, if my sister all the way in Idaho might let us come there for a little bit. But I would say I would film the process, but right now it's very hard and we're just in survival mode right now and trying to figure out what we're going to do. My husband worked as a lineman for our county, and they fired him yesterday. We just found out yesterday. And also, on top of that, his truck broke down last week, and we went and spent what money we had on a car. I suppose a gas saver, drove fine until we got home, and then it broke down. So, yeah. So on top of all of that, what savings we had was spent on a car that is no longer working. And we're trying to figure that out, but we don't know how much money that's going to take to figure that out. And we have nothing. So I know I don't want to say this for sympathy or empathy. I just wanted to let you guys know what was going on and why I'm probably going to go dark now. And sometimes I guess that happens. It seems like every time I start to try to build something, it comes crashing down. That's just my life. My life has never been easy. And I guess, it never will be for us, unfortunately. And all I want to do is have a better life for my kids. And it's a struggle. Financially, it's hard. And I'm being very vulnerable with you guys right now. I hope that you guys are kind in the comments, and yes, we have 4 kids, and yes, we chose that. And I know if I could go back in time and tell myself how life would go, I wouldn't have all the kids, even though I love them and I love being a mom. But it is so hard. And it's something that we have just been through so much of with this job loss, and then every time we build a savings, something happens, like a car or job loss, or we don't make enough. And that's what I was trying to do with YouTube. But it's just not happening. It's growing too slowly. I'm not able to put out enough content. I'm not able to have enough ideas. I don't have enough help, and I need to go out and get a job and figure out what I'm going to do with Lana. I know she's 3. Daycares are expensive. Anything that I would make goes straight to daycare, so I don't know what we're going to do. And I don't mean to bring anybody down, or I don't want anybody to feel sad for us or whatever. I'm not trying to get that. I just wanted to let everybody know what was going on. And I know a lot of people have suggested going and getting mental help for my depression. That, yet again, will take a back burner, including my dreams or whatever, my passions of the YouTube, will yet again take the back burner, because I'm a mom first. I don't know what we're gonna do. I'm sorry. Sorry to everyone. Sorry to YouTube. I'm sorry to all my friends. I'm sorry to my kids and my landlord, who's been very nice. Sorry to everyone. And it's been a while since I've worked. I've been busy raising kids. But my husband, he's in line work and he doesn't want to go back into it. And that's the only thing that's ever made us enough money to survive. So yeah, just please be kind in the comments. I'm struggling. There's so many days I just don't want to be here anymore, and now it's like I just can't take another devastation for our family. We lose our home. We are down to 1 car, and our marriage isn't doing too hot. I'm just being real. So if you're struggling, or I just want you to know that you're not alone. Because I feel alone a lot. I feel alone all the time. And I don't know. And I know that I did it. I wanted to have a family. But I didn't realize when I was young, when I started out, how hard it was going to be. Or that we would go through so many job losses. And having young children and nobody, no family, no help. What family I have, they can't help. My sister maybe in Idaho could. I don't know. They're going through stuff too. Anyway, I'm sorry. I love you guys to the moon and back, and I'm sorry that I couldn't continue the cleaning motivation. It makes me really sad, because I love it so much. I love editing. I love filming. I don't really like talking, but I don't like the voiceover, and I don't like having to talk. But I like cleaning, and I like all the motivation. But, yeah, I don't know. It's just, I wanted to let you guys know, and if you could share it to anybody that you know that's on my channel, and just let them know, or whatever. I love you guys, and I'm sorry. feel like I fail all the time. Anyway, I'm gonna be okay. We'll figure something out. We've been here so many times. You'd think we'd be used to it by now. When I say that we struggle, this has really been the prettiest and nicest house we've ever been in. And I know a lot of people didn't believe us. But yeah, we're about to really be struggling. And nobody's gonna want me filming cleaning a camper. If that's even what's gonna happen, I don't know. Maybe we'll figure out a way to stay here. I just don't know how I'm gonna do it without any help. Anyway, I hope you guys have a wonderful day. I want to upload the same video that I did, like, I think it was last week. And I'm gonna do a voiceover on it, and that'll be my final video. And other than this one, but that's my plan, just to do one final video for you guys, and which I already filmed, and I just wanted to do a voiceover. I guess I didn't like how I did that video. I'm very much a perfectionist when it comes to my videos, and I never feel like I like them, but I just wanted to do one last one with a voiceover and tell you guys goodbye and that I love you again. If I can, maybe I can still keep my channel alive. I'm hoping. It's just not bringing in views or money enough, and I don't know what I'm going to do, so it's gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay. I love you guys. Bye.